Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's morning recap video and looking forward video. Let's start with the Russell. We have been waiting for this Russell to bounce today. We're not getting it. We're getting a lot of whipsaw. Now we have FOMC statement coming out here in a couple hours, so I'm completely going to stay away from the market, stay out of it right now, and just be a little bit more patient here and just wait. We have come off these highs here, and we came off pretty strong here. We've had two really nice days to the downside here in the Russell, coming down right into this area of support that we've had drawing here. Now, this is going to be this previous swing low where the buyers kicked in last time, and also this 50-period rising support. Both come in here in this same area. So we're looking for the market to consolidate just a little bit and seeing if it wants to bounce or if it plans on breaking on through. If we break on through, the next real area, we have these minor lows here, kind of like we're dealing with now. But we do have this most recent swing high here. So we have lots of support down below if it does break. So lots of areas for us to look for the market to reverse that and head back to the upside. Now, ideally, as shorter term traders, the path of least resistance is if we can start to push higher. Now, if we start to push higher, we're going to get above this 21, above this 8 period, and start pushing higher. The only resistance we would possibly have to deal with would be these swing highs. And that's a lot more easy to manage than all these minor support areas that come through down through here with the rising support that also come through. So the path of least resistance is there to the upside. So if we start to get a little bit of a rally, I'm going to be aggressively buying here on the Russell going into tomorrow. Now, all this could just be thrown aside if the Fed comes out today and something gets said that throws the market for a loop. So this is if the market stays relatively calm after the Fed statement, or if they say something positive that the market gets a nice little reaction from, then I will be aggressively looking for long side opportunities here. Crude. Here on the crude, we have that support down here. We were talking last week about coming into this support area. We have broken through that. It had nothing to do with it. Paused there for a couple days and has now broken through today to the downside. Numbers came out today weaker, so I was actually looking for a potential pop here in the markets. Have not gotten that, and we continue to push down. You see this previous low here comes with a nice containment ship area. We have that drawn up here as support. So here recently, at the later parts of today's trading shift, I've actually looked and taken a couple long opportunities. Now, both trades, what had happened was market was coming down. We took a, sorry, let me backtrack here. I'll talk about all the positions here in crude here in a minute, but we took a crude short early on, but as we were approaching this support area here, the markets have started to lose momentum and actually reverse a little bit. And that caused us to get a long opportunity. We got long here 2 different times for nice little pops. End up being break-even trades because they went into chop mode. We had our stops, had our profit targets. As they pushed up enough, it was enough for us to move our stop up to our break-even. And then we just got break-even trades. And that's the way we ended our morning session today. So we had one good profitable trade in the crude, and then 2 break-evens. So that's how we traded today, which we're not going to complain. It is a Fed day. It's a little bit tougher to trade today, so we had to be a little bit more disciplined. Here's actually an intraday chart of crude, and this would be a good illustration of where we traded. Today, we opened up today right around here in the trading room. We got a nice sell-off here, pullback. We got that consolidation we wanted, and then we had a drop in the market. As we had a drop in the market, we just waited for a pullback. We got that pullback. There was that profitable trade. We took that short, got a really nice profit out of it, and then were just kind of sitting on hands. As this market was consolidating, we were waiting for it to go ahead and start to give us a sign that, hey, this thing could reverse back to the upside. And we had to wait and wait and wait. We took one opportunity right in here for a long. It ended up shaking me out for a break-even, even though it did this, and then tanked again. We got this high, broke back down, high, broke back down. As it pushed up, I took another opportunity above this support, looking for another, got us into another break-even trade before going into more and more chops. So we had 2 break-evens, and this winner back here for a nice profit on the day. Not bad. We'll accept it moving forward here because it is FOMC. Nice way to go ahead and make a little money going into tomorrow, where we get a little better trading after the Fed announcement, so on and so forth. So that was it today, guys. And then 3 trades in the live trading room, and then that market analysis going into tomorrow. If you have any questions about any of this, guys, feel free to email me. It's adam@directiontrader.com. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. If not, I appreciate you watching these videos, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.